Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Have you ever been pulled over and, as the officer approaches your car, you see them reach out and tap your taillight? It's a quick, subtle gesture, but it's not random. This is a deliberate technique taught to police officers for decades, and there are a few very important reasons behind it. The primary and most well-known reason is to leave evidence. Specifically, the officer is leaving their fingerprints on the vehicle. You have to remember that this practice became standard procedure long before dashcams and bodycams were common. In a worst-case scenario where the traffic stop goes horribly wrong and the officer is harmed or goes missing, their fingerprints on the suspect's car directly link that officer to that specific vehicle. It serves as undeniable proof that they were there, which could be a crucial piece of evidence in an investigation. It establishes a physical connection between the officer and the car they stopped. Another key reason is psychological. The light tap on the back of the car can serve as a small distraction or a startle tactic. For anyone inside the car who might be trying to hide something, like a weapon or illegal drugs, that unexpected touch and sound can make them pause or flinch. As the officer continues to walk up to the driver's side window, they are watching the occupants closely. That brief moment of distraction might reveal nervous behavior or furtive movements that could signal a potential threat. It gives the officer a split-second advantage to assess the situation inside the car before they even start talking to the driver. There's also a simpler, more practical reason: to check the trunk. A quick push on the trunk lid confirms that it's properly latched. An unlatched trunk could be a sign that something was thrown in hastily, or in a more extreme and dangerous situation, it could indicate that someone is inside. It's a quick safety check for the officer. Now, you might be wondering if police still do this today. The answer is that the practice is becoming far less common. With the widespread use of dashcams, bodycams, and GPS tracking in patrol cars, there is now a digital record of every traffic stop. The need to leave a physical fingerprint as the only proof of the interaction has been largely eliminated. Furthermore, some police departments now actively train officers not to touch the vehicle. In our modern world, there are new dangers, such as the risk of exposure to potent drugs like fentanyl that could be on the car's surface. Touching the car also alerts the driver to the officer's exact location as they approach, which can be a tactical disadvantage. So while you may still see some officers, perhaps older veterans, do it out of habit and training, the tail light tap is a technique from a different era of policing that is slowly fading away. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video interesting and want to learn more about topics like this, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more content. We'll see you in the next one.